So we're at another hotel, and I just wanted to show you the lights in here. So by the entrance, we got this switch right here, and that does this recessed light with a LED bulb in it. Over here, we got these wall sconces on either side of the TV. This one here, I think it's got some kind of LED bulb in it. I don't know what brand though. So there's that one. We got this desk lamp here with an on-SRAM LED bulb in it. Samsung TV. We got the other wall sconce here. Another LED bulb. We got this floor lamp here with a Philips bulb. Another Philips LED. We got this lamp here with outlets on it. And there's two LEDs. One does not work, which is that one right there. They're energetic. It's the brand. This one here on this side doesn't work. It was there and I swapped them, just thinking the bulb, maybe the socket was just bad, but no. Yeah, that one's dead. Shut this back off. This was on before, so turn it back on. The closets, so we got their automatic lights. You can see there is this little thing right here, and then it turns on this little what looks like an under cabinet light with an LED halogen under cabinet light with an LED bulb in it. And then so you close the door, you can see it's off, you open the door, it turns on. And then over here we got the same thing. See the LED bulb. I close the door, the light goes off. I open the door, it goes on. We got the bathroom. Nice soaker tub. Pretty good shower. You got the beds. We got two queen beds. Got a nice desk, two chairs. And yeah, here's the bathroom. There's two switches here. This first one does this light up here, the main light if you want to call it. And then this other one, get this mirror out of the way. This other one does those two recessed lights and the one in the shower, and then also the light up mirror. I'm not sure what bulbs in here, they're probably LED. The mirror I think has fluorescent lights in it. These are LED. And then in here, the light got left on. I'd put a motion sensor here. We got this one here, which does this light. Smaller version of that one, probably just got an LED bulb. And the interesting thing is with both of these, so on either side of the two sinks, we have these Gsci Outlets. And what Gfci Outlets they have, they protect the circuitry inside the outlet, protects both the outlets that are on the front, and you can hook up, there's a load terminal. There's a line, which is your power in, or a load, which is your power out. Whatever you connect to the load is going to be protected by this. For some reason, whoever wired this bathroom, this Gfci on this side, the load is the lights for some reason. So they're Gfci protected, which I guess kind of makes sense because they're in a bathroom. So if I kill this one, these two don't work now. And then the one over here does the one in the toilet area. You can see. So even if the switch is on the inside, you shut the door. Here, I'll just put one. toilet. You're in the toilet, and then someone trips the Gfci outlet. Now you're in the dark. But it's kind of weird. I'm gonna shut this off. Yeah, so here's our hotel room. It's pretty good. Not the greatest view. We have the building and a stadium. We're in Las Vegas right now. Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. Nevada. I don't know. We're staying in the Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas hotel. There's some other ones, the Delano, and there's more down there. This is room number, this is room number 10, which is the floor number. We're on floor 10, and then 115, which is the room number. They've got those grouped together for some reason. Anyway, yeah, we got a nice soaker tub here. The shower here. Good pressure. And we've got the 2 sinks. Our first night here, this one was making noise for some reason. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Got a nice Samsung TV with some hookups. Got HDMI, VGA, audio, composite, network, USB, audio. I don't know what the audio is for. I looked on the back of the TV, and the only thing that's hooked up is the HDMI. Because there's 2 HDMIs. HDMI 1 is probably whatever cable thing they're using. And HDMI 2, I assume, goes down to there, which is convenient, I guess, if you want to plug like something into it. Yeah, I think that's about it. Here's the phone. It's wireless handset. Phone is a AEI model GR stand. (2015) That's a date and a serial number. Nice little alarm clock here. It's an iHome one. What else? Got there's the mini fridge in here, which has a bunch of drinks, and then this stuff. But since it's Vegas, and if you touch any of this stuff, they will charge you. So we're not touching that. Because it's a funny thing, like you have a coffee maker, but then the thing is that the thing to use the coffee maker you have to pay for. So Mom just ended up going down. Oh, this is a casino as well, so there's all the casino machines down there because it's Vegas, obviously. Like people like to bet, apparently. Yeah, that's another one. I forget what it's called. The Luxor, I think it's called. There's New York, which is yeah. These are all kind of themed. There's a Caesar's Palace one, which is kind of medieval themed. All the gods and stuff. They got like a huge fountain and stuff.